Hey everyone, welcome back. If your videos are showing the yellow dollar sign on YouTube, that means they're running limited ads. This can seriously affect your revenue, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you why it happens and how to fix it step by step in 2026. Step 1. Check your content for advertiser guidelines. Videos with sensitive topics, strong language, or controversial material often get limited ads. Even reused clips or copyrighted content can trigger this. Make sure your video is original and brand safe. Step 2. Request a manual review. If your video is appropriate but still has limited ads, click the yellow dollar icon in YouTube Studio. Select Request Review, and YouTube will reevaluate it manually. This often restores full monetization. Step 3. Avoid misleading thumbnails and titles. Clickbait can trigger limited ads. Always use accurate thumbnails and titles that reflect your video content. Step 4. Keep your language clean. Avoid repeated strong profanity, violent terms, or controversial statements. Even one inappropriate word can limit ads. Step 5. Review metadata and descriptions. Keywords in your description or tags can influence ad suitability. Remove any controversial or sensitive terms to improve ad eligibility. Step 6. Upload advertiser-friendly content regularly. YouTube prioritizes channels that consistently produce safe content. Building a habit of brand-safe videos reduces the chance of limited ads in the future. Step 7. Check age restrictions. If a video is marked for adults, ads are limited automatically. Make sure content is appropriate for general audiences if you want full monetization. So if your YouTube videos have limited ads, it's usually about content, language, thumbnails, or metadata, not a permanent block. Follow these steps, request reviews when needed, and your ad revenue should recover. And that's how to fix YouTube limited ads issues step by step in 2026. Like the video, subscribe for more YouTube monetization tips, and I'll see you in the next one.